The beautiful river on Afuna Vida bụ mmiri a na-akpọ Obizi Oga nke dị na Aloga na Aguata local government of Anambra State. But today achọrọ m ịkọ maka Obizi Oga. N'anya ọ ga-afụ na vida abụrụ sọsọ Obizi Oga ka ọ na-egosi, kama ihe bịara ebe ịkọwa kịta bụ the development I saw. So I traveled down to Oga on the 18th of February, being Friday, for a traditional marriage. So dịka onye Oga mbụ, enweghị m ka mbata Aloga na meje n'Obizi. So on the 14th of February, mgbe ndị nwere ịfụnanya na-celebrate their Valentine, masị ka nje Obizi Oga mbọsị orie. Mgbe ahụ mma na nga ebe ahụ agaghị enwe ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ga nọ n'Obizi, because ịchọ ịma how crowded this place na dị. Maybe on Mondays, emewe sit at home, or weekends like Sunday, by a full crowd. Mana tata ife chọrọ ịkọwa abụrụ maka Obizi Oga, kama ọ bụ maka ụzọ nke bụ ya agbada ya bụ Obizi. Otu n'ime anyị ma for many years, access to Obizi River was difficult as erosion slowly took over the road. Today work is ongoing, some parts completed, some still in progress. Mana ndị ọdịnaka, I want to appreciate them, because I'm fine at those, especially those that apply this road with their vehicles or their bikes. I'm a how stressful on it. So I want to sincerely appreciate every individual, group, and government authority involved in this project. For the first time, coming to Obizi was as fast as it used to be. And going home late wasn't even my problem anymore, because Abamna was on Siana and they were very accessible. This road means modern access. It means development, safety, and renewed hope for the people of Oga and Aguata entirely. So I just pray, may this work be completed and preserved for generations to come. So that when you're born or like this, or say that dear or mommy, or say one name, okay. Because those days go busy, madam. I brought a check against ban n'ụzọ ọjọọ dị bịa ya bụ Obizi bịa to the beginning nwa aṅụrị. Esi na kama ga-agbawa n'ụzọ a moto emebie ma ọ bụ ihe dị ụtọ ihe dị ụtọ ime kama nọrọ n'ụlọ. So I'm so happy about this, and I just hope that this work continues and be completed, because this will also attract a lot of things to our dear Obizi Oga and Aguazi